Here I have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's just choose your desired language. In my case it could be English. Let's choose your country or region. So in my case, let me select Poland right here. Alright, the phone is setting the language. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Here you can use the quick start, or you can just set up your device manually. Let me do it manually. You can choose a Wi-Fi network right here, so the device is scanning the networks. Let me tap. You can choose another network or just wait for the following list. So here I have my network. Let me connect it. And now the iPhone XS Max is activating itself, so let's wait a few seconds or maybe even a few minutes. Alright, here we've got data and privacy settings, so let me tap continue. You can right now use the Face ID, or you can set up later in settings, so let me do it later in settings. Here you can create the passcode, or you can also secure your device later, so let me choose don't use passcode right now. Let's confirm it again. Here you can restore some apps and data from your iCloud, from your iTunes, or move data from your Android. Or you can also use the option to set up your device as a new, so let me do it. Here you can sign in into the Apple ID, or you can choose forgot password or don't have the Apple ID. Let me set up later in settings, don't use. Here we've got terms and conditions. Let me choose agree. Let's decide either you would like to install updates manually, or you can keep your iPhone up to date automatically, so let me do it automatically. Tap continue. Let me choose not now to iMessage and FaceTime settings right now. Let me also disable location services in my case. Tap OK. Let me set up later the screen time. Let me don't share the iPhone analytics. Tap continue. You need to choose the display zoom. In my case it could be standard. Tap next. Choose continue. Continue. And that's it. Now you need to swipe up to get started, and everything went well. Now you can use your iPhone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.